For my next video, I'd like to do one on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and I'm using the new One UI 7.0 Beta 3. I believe these features are on all the previous, the 6.0, One UI 6.0, 6.1, all of those. We never really received anything updated yet. And that's what I want to go into specifically is the emergency SOS features. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Let's get to settings, go into that, and scroll down. I'm going to go over the entire, I passed it up here. We're going to go over the entire category here, which I normally don't do a whole one, but I figured this is some really good information here, and we'll go over each one. So first one off the top, pretty basic, self-explanatory, simplistic medical info. That's your medical info. I'm not going to tap on it because it'll give out some private information. Next one, same thing, emergency contacts. You can put who you want to be, contacted. Emergency contacts are people you trust to help you in emergency. They'll be contacted if you start emergency sharing. So let's next go into, we're not going to go to emergency sharing yet, but we'll go into emergency SOS. And I did a video on this previously, and I'll put a link up. This is pretty neat. If you press the side button 5 times in an emergency, you'll call for help. You can change the emergency number below or keep it if it's right for your location. So right now I have it set for call emergency number automatically after 30 seconds, but you have to push the button 5 times. Plays a warning sound, emergency number to call, 911. Then I have send a SOS to emergency contacts. So again, I'm not going to tap on that, but you can set up in your contacts who you want to be your emergency contacts. So it's a pretty neat little ability to contact multiple people. So again, and then we go to emergency sharing, and the same thing. I have share your location with other info and your emergency contacts to let them know you need help. Messages won't be sent if you've reached the message. That's whatever, common sense there. Emergency contacts, attach pictures, attach audio, and then I can hit. So I go ahead and hit start emergency sharing, and it'll send out a message to the 3 contacts I have. And kind of neat because attach pictures, it'll take pictures with the front and rear cameras and include them in your messages. Attach audio recordings, it'll record 5 seconds of audio and include it in your messages. So that's kind of a neat feature that if you're having an emergency, that's all you have to go by or go to is this. So we have, the next one is pretty simplistic, silence notifications while driving. So if you're driving, it senses you're moving, it silences everything. Emergency location service. This is more of a Google. It takes you right to a Google. If the supplementary emergency location service is supported, when you call or text an emergency number, your device may automatically send its location and other critical information to emergency responders. So that could be handy. That's why I have that one on. Wireless emergency alerts. These are alerts that are sent to you. So like if you get Amber Alerts and stuff like that, that you don't want on, this is how you turn those on. So I have them all turned on. Not quite sure why I never get anything like that. Or it can speak the alert or in Spanish, or alert reminder, vibration, emergency alert history. So there I guess we had a couple tornado warnings a long time ago. Not a long time ago, but that's pretty much all I'll get in my area. So those were kind of nice to have. Earthquake alerts, I don't get them. I have it on, but it's not going to take up battery. But when an earthquake is detected nearby, you'll get an alert with the initial estimated magnitude and distance from your location. And then unknown tracker alerts. I've also done a video on this. This is really the best one of the of the grouping. And when it's on, which I have it on, you'll get a notification if an unknown tracker is detected traveling with you. So in other words, one of those little tracker devices that they make, if you have one next to you and you have this on, it's going to tell you if it's with you or not, which is really important to me. I don't want anybody tracking where I'm at. So, not that I go anywhere special, but I still, out of privacy reasons, don't want them knowing. So you turn this on, it'll tell you no tracker alerts, last scanned. You can do a manual scan. Trackers are small Bluetooth devices which the owner can attach to items like your keys, backpack to locate them. I have tracking devices for my wallet, my backpack, stuff that's important to me, but those are mine, so they're not going to give me any kind of warning that I'm tracking myself. Now, if somebody was to put one on me, it would tell me you have a tracker device close to you. So, pretty neat. In some cases, they may be used to track people without knowledge. Only compatible trackers can be detected, and you can click to learn more about the compatible ones, which is pretty much all of them. So, that is safety in emergencies. It's a pretty neat feature, just to keep you safe and secure. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.